So guys, there we are, Plasma 6. It's out there, it's gone from extra testing, it's in extra. And if you update, you might end up with black screens or all kind of strange things. One of the precautions I've made, if you update, right? Take a look at the design. If you update, all normal things have been, no, yeah, sure, all normal things. I was on Plasma, on extra testing earlier, right? So hence, these are all the packages that have to do with packages that are on extra testing, not on extra yet. But as you see, none of them have to do with Plasma or QKDE, except maybe Qt5 and 6 tools there. The thing is, what I've done, if you go for a rip, yes, I have installed OBS Studio, but this one, ArcoLinux Plasma Git 240301. I just put it online. The reason behind me putting it online is there will be issues. How would I, as a user, solve my issues? We put stuff in the etc scal, right? And at some point in time, Plasma 5 arrives and we start tweaking and changing files. Since it's a mega release, everything changes. I've deleted basically the ArcoLinux Plasma settings of number 5. Basically, this is an empty package and it removes everything that we used to set for Plasma. This is just stuff that any of the desktops have Alacrity, BTOP, Conky, Phantom. Maybe this is something that might change the look of your system. So have a look at that as well. Because what I'm suggesting, if you look at the screen I'm having now, and if the sound of the video is good and everything works here on my end, no guarantee it will work on your end. If this is a working PC for work, for whatever, right? You don't want to lose anything. Back up, back up, back up. And then you might do the same thing as I do, but think before you do, what did I do to have this look? So first of all, update. Your etc scal is basically empty, right? There is no reference from ArcoLinux configurations whatsoever in the scal. Well, a few of them. So have a look at the few of them. And that's only this one, I think, and maybe that one, Qt5, Qt6, right? So that one as well. So what I did on this machine, and what I'd like to do now with Plasma 6 is wait till the dust settles. And I'm not talking about hours, days, but weeks and months before we start changing all kinds of things that we like to have. So this is the default look. And how did I get to that? I went inside the .config and I looked at the .config and I said Ctrl A, delete. Like I said, it's up to you. Then I went to home, to the local, share, Ctrl A, delete. There's one thing he can't delete, he will never delete, he doesn't like deleting that, and that's the share, the trash here. So Ctrl A, but not the trash. Select everything but the trash. Delete. This means I have an empty system and I can put my scal back now, or even better, let's not put the scal yet back. So all the settings you saw in etc scal are gone. And when you reboot, Plasma sets everything back. So immediately reboot now. So I'm gonna pause, not pause the video, stop the video. And the next video is on a clean system. In the previous video, well, this setting that I started with, I did a scal. So let's do the look without anything in the .config, without anything in the local, and see if we can put up forward. See you in the next video.